How's it going there, YouTube? Well, I've kind of seen this new trend of things kind of going on YouTube. I guess as far as people doing unboxings or whatnot, I see a lot of guys are getting these Amazon mystery return boxes, and I kind of got figuring, well, let's roll the dice and get one and see what's inside. So I kind of went on the, oh, what's the site called now? Hold on for a second. What was the site called now? Don't remember the name of the dang site, but anyway, when I figure it out, I'll put it in the description down below. Well, let's get to open this box up here. How about that? For this unboxing, we're going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to use Grandpa's Joseph Rogers and Sons knife that was made back in the 40s. Instead of the Case Trapper knife, which we usually do for every other unboxing, but you know, once in a while I got to change things up. So we've got our box here. Now, I got this off the collectibles page off that website. I don't remember what it's called right now. That's driving me nuts right now. I can't remember what it's called, but you know, I'll figure it out. Anyway, well, I don't know what's inside this box, but we can hope for farm toys. Well, even agriculture, anything agriculture related. And let's hope it's not Barbie dolls or something like that. Let's figure it out. Whoa! That's a good sight. That's definitely a good sight. Knife safety, boys. Number one, knife safety. Alright. Whoa! Boys, you guys are gonna like this one. You guys are gonna like this. Alright, so put that down there. First thing we got ourselves a New Holland agriculture hat. And now, one thing you guys may or may not believe, out of all the hats I've got, now, you know, I can show you guys, but that'll take a long time. Out of all those hats I've gotten over the years, I do not have a New Holland agriculture hat. So, I think what most people do, they kind of rhyme off what everything's worth. That's probably, you know, a good 20 bucks any dealership you go to. So we'll put that right there for now. Next item in our box, we've got a John Deere 4450 number 6 Authentics. Now, believe it or not, I have not picked this one up yet because, well, number 5 in the Authentics lineup was the 4450s as well, but I have both variations, but you know, hey, that's always a welcome addition to the lineup because I do not have that yet. So that's probably $20, $25 at any given dealership. Next in our box here is a Ford 8870. So that's before, I believe, New Holland took over. So it has right on the label there, 1125. So that's pretty sweet. We don't have one of those yet. Don't have too many blue tractors in our lineup, but there's always a good time to add to that because, of course, you guys know I mostly collect Oliver and John Deere in case, but I've got no problem with New Holland. So we do use New Holland on the farm out east, and we don't have too many here at home either. So New Holland tractors are very welcome to the collection. And our last item in the box here is a T9615 four-wheel drive New Holland. Hopefully I'm getting the shot here alright for you guys. So that's $17. So there you go. That's our that's everything that's in that box there. So I don't have one of these either in our collection. So that's pretty friggin' sweet. I think we did alright on our mystery box here, boys. I think we did A-okay. Well, I think we did alright with our mystery box, boys, considering I didn't even know what was inside that box. Well, alright here, you know, I'm gonna come clean. You know, you guys know me. Once in a while I like to pull a fast one on you guys and make a little prank video and whatnot. But I did make a trip out to Bob Marks New Holland's this morning out in Sunderland, Ontario. Now, I know I've had comments before in the past, oh, you don't have too many New Holland tractors in your collection. And well, the reason for that is when I was growing up and really getting into the collecting things, there wasn't really a New Holland dealer around. We had John Deere and Case, so that's kind of why we had more kind of John Deere and international tractors. But I only came across Bob Marks there when I was going to the Kawartha Lakes Antique Power Show a couple years ago. So that's when I figured out where that place was. So, seen a couple little things I was interested in, and I thought I'd put a different twist on the video for you guys, and well, maybe you'll get a laugh out of it. So anyway, guys, like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe as always. Or if you're interested in sending something into the Greatest Fire and Toy Collection on YouTube, the P.O. box address is in the description box down below. And anytime I make a video in the Great Toy Tractor Hoard Room here, you guys always have a little piece of videos. So anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.